Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in today's video I'm going to be sitting outside my comfort zone. And if you're watching this and you're watching me talking about this topic, you might also get uncomfortable. So let's get uncomfortable together. Just get your blankets, get your coffee, sit, and let's talk about this. So guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to share with you my experience, my first time using a menstrual cup, and I'll be honest with you guys, it wasn't perfect at all. That's why I want to give you the honest review with you guys and share what I passed through. Okay, for those who don't know what a menstruation cup is, or a menstrual cup, it's just another substitute for pads, tampons, and they're saying that this cup is always safer than any other things, not risky, it's clean, and it's environment friendly, and it's also price friendly, it's cheap. You can buy it, they said you can buy it once and use it for the whole year. Yeah, that's what they said. So I was curious. I was seeing menstrual cups mentioned here and there, everywhere. And if you're female too, I know you're sick and tired, that feels like the worst week of the month. Remember, it happens every month in a week, so you always find the best way to deal with it, you know. Yeah, so guys, this is the cup. I'm going to open it right now. I ordered this because it had good reviews where I ordered it from, and it also has like different sizes, so you either order small size or medium or large. So I had to order small size because I don't know what amount comes in the large or medium, you know. So this is how it looks like. As you see, this is my hand here. If you're a man, I'm sorry if you're not supposed to say this, but right now I have to talk about it. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. So what they say, you have to first boil it first before you use it for 2 minutes. Then after, you can insert it in. Yeah, so let's do that. Okay, right now it's boiling, and I'm going to boil for only 2 minutes, and then that's it. Please keep watching. Okay, now I'm going to the bathroom to insert it inside, guys. This is exciting and at the same time scary. Okay guys, they say that you have to fold it like this, like a U. I don't know, like a U like that. Yeah, like, let me try it again. Yes, like this, and then you insert inside. I'm not going to show you guys how I'm going to do it, but let me do it, then I'll be telling you how I feel after I insert it in. Okay guys, right now we're done and it's in. So yes, if you're used to putting on tampons, yeah, it will be much easier for you, but at first for me it has been a little bit hard. Yeah, but once you get used to it, I think it gets more easier. So if you're used to tampons, it will be much easier for you to insert it in. Yeah, so they said you can wear it for 12 hours, and now it's night here. I'm going to go to sleep and I'll be coming back in the morning, but hope it's in the right direction. I can feel like there is something down there, but I don't know if you can go pee with it or you can use the bathroom with it, and I'm really scared to do that because it might fall out. Hope I'll sleep well, and hope I'll wake up when it's still there, or hopefully I'll tell you guys in the morning. Good night. Okay guys, good morning, and I'm here to give you a honest review. Actually, I'm in a hurry because I have some stuff to do upstairs. I linked. It didn't work for me, and even trying to remove it in the morning, I had to search for it. I couldn't reach it, so I had to continue. Oh my god, everything messed up, and I didn't know if I did like put it in the right direction, but everything was messed up and I have to go clean right now. So I've decided that I'll continue using my pads because I've been using those ones since I started my journey. But if you want to try using it, hey, good luck for you, and don't get discouraged to use it because it has failed me. No, for you it might work for you, but for me it didn't work for me. So guys, yeah, that's my honest review. Hope guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you all guys. Thanks for the support. Bye.